We'll start with the next session, which is a corporate presentation on unlocking transformational value in the insurance industry. And to present this session, I would like to call on stage, and please help me welcome with a big round of applause, Mr. Sunny Saha, General Manager, Asia Pacific from SS&C Blue Prism. A big round of applause to Mr. Sunny Saha. Can we have Sunny on the stage, please? Sunny, welcome, and looking forward to a great session from you.
Thanks, mate. I'll just get the slide up.
Don't you just love it when things harmonize, synchronize, optimize, and everything pulls in the same direction? Unified, enriched, elevated, transformed. An orchestration of individual parts and processes that gets better with each and every performance. Execute work across your business with SS&C Blue Prism Chorus. Business process management that delivers the right work to the right resource at the right time. People, processes, digital workers, data, and systems working together in concert, achieving the highest levels of service, even as business needs change. Operations optimized, risk mitigated, customer experiences transformed. Orchestrate your business's digital transformation with SS&C Blue Prism Chorus.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed this session in the morning so far. It was quite enlightening for me. We look forward to share with you over the next couple of minutes how we're driving transformation in the industry, insurance industry across the world. I'm going to give a very top-line overview, and my team and I are going to be in the venue the next 2 days, and we'll be more than happy to kind of, spend some time with you and show you how to get through on the journey. Yep. Let me begin with some introductions, because I think many people in this room know Blue Prism, but may not know SS&C. So I'll give a context of SS&C and Blue Prism and what we do. Both SS&C and Blue Prism have been very closely associated with the banking, financial services, and the insurance industry for years now. SS&C is the world's largest independent hedge fund and private equity administrator, and also the largest mutual fund transfer agency. It's a 36-year-old company which provides software and services to the financial and healthcare industry. And as you can see, we're engaged with 75 of the top 100 global banks, insurance companies, healthcare providers, fund administrators, brokers, and other investment services. It's actually a collection of a number of companies. Blue Prism was acquired in 2022. It's got about 20,000 customers, and we manage assets close to $50 trillion are under management, under SS&C. And India has always been a major hub, a major base of our operation. We've got about 8,000 colleagues across cities in this country. Blue Prism, as many of you know, we pioneered RPA. That's been the bedrock of digital transformation of thousands of companies around the world. We created this market, and in the last 20 years, we have constantly evolved and redefined it. Along the way, we invested and expanded the portfolio to where it stands today with AI capabilities, including Gen AI, so you could you could actually automate complex, hard to automate processes, and a comprehensive stack that's RPA, BPM, process mining, document automation, low code, no code, on the cloud, on-prem, or a mix, whichever way you want it. And while we have evolved the platform, it's still the most secure, 100% auditable, and highly scalable platform. And over the last 20 years, we have been driving transformational outcomes for over 150 insurance customers. Some of them are on the screen here, and many of them have partnerships or are associated with companies sitting in this room. These companies, interestingly, insurance has been one of the earliest adopters of intelligent automation. In fact, some of them are pretty mature in their, in their intelligent automation journey. So that's who we are. But what do we do? And how are we actually driving transformational outcome for insurance customers? So here's what we do. We provide you an infinite workforce with unlimited possibilities. That's our mission. That's what we do every day at SS&C Blue Prism. But why do we do this? At the core, we're trying to change how work is done. It's about making the most of human and technology collaboration. And this is any technology, not just from SS&C Blue Prism. Providing you the freedom and the accessibility to access all great innovations, no matter where they come from. And with the ultimate aim of making the work that we all perform impactful, meaningful, and enjoyable. Let me share a short video which talks about our proposition and the portfolio.
Too much work, too little time, and too few resources to meet growing customer demands. Sound familiar? Thought so. That's why so many businesses are automating work wherever they can. Because automation gets work done faster, without more people. But speed without purpose? Pointless. At SS&C Blue Prism, we're about more than just speed. We bring together everything you need to reimagine work and deliver transformational results for your customers. Intelligence, orchestration, automation, in one unified AI-powered intelligent automation platform that provides total visibility into your business, connects your people, processes, and technologies, and helps you power and manage work end-to-end across the entire organization, all while continuously improving results. Process Intelligence sets you up for success by giving you a backstage pass to your operations, so you know exactly what works and what needs a tune-up, and spot bottlenecks in your workflow, see where to streamline, where to make improvements, and what to automate next, all while saving design and build time. Process orchestration ensures you're always on the right path, getting crucial work done first, streamlining handoffs between people and technology to avoid delays and oversights. Having all data and activities in one place to see what's at risk and where to take action, keeping customers in the loop every step of the way, and providing clear audit trails to reduce risk and errors. Process automation gives you more helping hands, not only automating work employees shouldn't have to do, but empowering them to focus on what's truly important, your customers. From reducing costs and improving productivity, to delighting customers and growing your business, we help you reimagine work and unlock new business value, now and always. Told you we're about more than just speed? Contact us today and learn more.
So that's what we do. Now let's talk about transformational outcomes. I mean, most people in this room have been associated with some form of automation, some level of automation work. But the unfortunate truth is, while most companies have invested in automation, they're either too slow or the initiatives they're working on are too small. too conservative. And that does not deliver the transformational value that we can achieve. That's the first wave. Most organizations tend to focus on standalone tasks, with projects confined to individual departments, which is essentially that first wave of value creation. But that doesn't deliver you the transformational value at the speed and the magnitude that companies require today to survive and thrive in this business environment. That's the third wave of value creation, which is what is real business transformation. Companies that achieve that take a strategic approach with ambition and imagination. We heard some great stories this morning in the panel where they were talking about, having the will to actually put you in there. I'll share some stories of customers, of our insurance customers around the world. Select Health is a non-profit health plan in the US. They used to receive about 12 million claims a year, and most of this had inaccurate information, like an old address or a wrong taxpayer number. Thousands of inaccurate claims sat in queues for months, adding to interest cost, which they had to bear, and really poor customer experience. So Select Health implemented intelligent process orchestration to manage claims and to optimize their workflows. Erroneous claims were fixed in 3 days, down from 60. And that faster processing resulted in a huge uptick in customer experience, as well as for employees who did not have to do volumes of repetitive work. Prudential Singapore. This is an example of a company that's leveraged intelligent automation to further their sustainability credentials. So Prudential Singapore uses intelligent automation for claims processing, reconciliations, policy servicing, and just one process has resulted in them reducing 0.1 ton of carbon emissions. They are now on the way to scale it enterprise-wide so as to achieve their ESG targets. Thomas Miller, you may know this company. It's a global insurance company with operations in about 100 countries. They offer a suite of specialized services, specialized insurance products, which are sometimes quite complex. Like one of them is fleet insurance, which involves transfer of ships from one fleet to the other. Now, while it sounds relatively straightforward, transferring transactional information is actually not. A ship can have 1,000 individual transactions, and if you multiply it by the volume of ships, legacy information for some transfers were not done for more than 18 months. So Thomas Miller deployed intelligent automation to manage the whole process of fleet transfers. After deployment, work that used to take 3 weeks got done in a matter of days. The operational information was stored in the correct systems, increasing accuracy and efficiency, and the records were constantly updated, so there was no danger of backlogs in the future. So going back to the waves of transformation, most insurance companies now are taking a strategic enterprise-wide approach across processes, across functions, across the human and digital workforce to drive end-to-end transformation. So moving from cost savings, which is what most companies typically start off with, to unlocking new sources of revenue, operational excellence, and a shift in customer and employee experiences. Working across all of the strategic growth drivers, from policy design all the way to claim management and customer lifecycle support, working on all of their verticals as well as horizontal functions. And all of this is relatively easier now with the convergence of what used to be disparate areas of technology, RPA, BPM, process mining. It's all in one integrated stack. And with increasing AI capabilities that can help you, one, seamlessly connect your human and digital workers into a collaborative unit so you can use the right resource on the right activity. Two, transform operations by connecting work at every level, not just individual tasks, operations end to end. And three, enabling enterprise-wide adoption by giving you the visibility, the orchestration, and the control. So, in summary, the potential of intelligent automation far exceeds the results that most companies are achieving today. There is incredible opportunity to drive transformational business value by taking a strategic, bolder, and ambitious approach. Companies can start small, right, to gain confidence and expertise, and then scale it across the enterprise. Because it's all about making the most of human and technology collaboration, with the ultimate aim of making the work that we all perform impactful, meaningful, and enjoyable. My team and I will be here and would love to share more details on how we can help you on this journey. Wish you a great day ahead. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Sunny Saha for that wonderful presentation on unlocking the transformational value in the insurance industry. And now I would like to call on stage Mr. Yashashvi Malit, Lead Analytics and CLM from SBI General Insurance. Yashashvi ji, if you could kindly come on stage to do the honors, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sunny Saha, once again, a big round of applause. General Manager Asia Pacific from SS&C Blue Prism for that wonderful presentation on unlocking transformational value in the insurance industry.